We have modernized. We have purchased new equipment. We are purchasing a lot of newer equipment this year. When I look at the numbers, like I have to sit down before I fall down, but it's large numbers, but stuff doesn't come cheap. But we really have modernized. The old equipment would basically do, one process. Whether it was drilling or knurling or milling, it would only do one thing. And we've streamlined it where our newer machines can, drop more complete parts, which has solved a ton of headaches.
Wow. I mean, you guys are doing all the right stuff. Like if I think back on all the different podcasts that we've talked to and all the different people, right? It's like all that like sort of stuff, right? Getting down to the basics, figuring out how to do single piece flow, getting one machine to do more stuff, modernizing, investing in technology. Like it's amazing. I mean, right? Yeah. I mean, you guys are making all the right moves. It's like, I'm in awe a little bit, to be honest.
Yeah. It was a lot of research. We're even talking about robotics now, which will be another huge leap forward for Chapman. Again, something I know almost nothing about, but I'm sure I can figure it out.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm very proud to say that we haven't eliminated any jobs. What we are doing is, with automation and becoming more efficient, is making our lives easier and making so we can keep up with demand.